Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use your Steam points. So once you're inside Steam, guys, all you have to do is head over to the store section at the upper left, and you want to go down to point shop, right? So here's where you can use your Steam points. You have a bunch of things that you can use, and as you can see here, I have some points here. I have over 1,000 points here, and you can use those points to purchase. Keep in mind that you can only use these for accessories. You're not able to use them to purchase games, right? So you can use them to buy things such as some featured items here. You can get things such as keyboards, startup movies, avatars, backgrounds, community awards, showcases, gamer profile. All of, a lot of these things, guys. Game profiles, you can see them here as well. You have some emoticons as well that you can utilize, that you can get quite a lot of things, but these are the different things. So if you're looking for how you can use your Steam points, you can use those points to get things such as this. So if you want to find out what you can buy, just simply head over to your profile, and upper right hand side you have the store. Go to the points shop, and here you can find quite a lot of things that you can use your points to purchase, right? So there's quite a lot of useful stuff here. I'm sure you'll find something that you like, and if you're using Steam for a long time, I'm sure you might accumulate quite a lot of points there as well, that you can definitely find something that you can purchase with your Steam points. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to use your Steam points on Steam.